help mommy clean your room? Not really? Yeah, maybe? Because we have quite a mess in this room. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know what you're thinking. Where's Katie? It's been a month. There's no videos. I will have a separate life update on that. But today's video, it's about Jade. And we are going to show you his nursery today. So if you guys are interested in seeing his nursery, please keep on watching this video. So guys, I'm standing in front of the door. This is what you see. So this is kind of an overview of the room. That sign that you see there, the monogram sign, it's from Etsy. That little cube, it's from IKEA. The panels on the windows are from Amazon. And the shades are from Home Goods. So here we have a picture of Jaden, and I also have his first teddy bear. That's the first teddy I bought when I found out I was having a boy. So moving on to the side where we have the crib. This crib is very simple. It's from Target. I honestly, when I got pregnant, I found out I was pregnant, I wanted to go crazy and spend so much money on the nursery. But then we were planning to move, so that kind of held me back. So I really didn't go crazy. That sign that you saw there that says Dream, it's from TJ Maxx. Here I have his monitor, his lullaby machine, and also you're gonna see his little basket for his dirty clothes and a diaper. Moving to the changing table area, I created this little simple, I guess, a little gallery wall. I never finished it, but hey. And here's what I have on top of this dresser. That dresser was an old dresser that we already had. We just used it for the nursery. So I have to say, this is one of my favorite parts of Jaden's nursery. It is this mat from Soft Tiles. You guys, I am in love with them. I customize this myself. I will leave all the information down below so you guys could check them out because you will love this. It will keep your baby safe, which is very important. Here's an overview of the closet. You guys, I did some major cleaning on his closet. He had so many stuff that didn't fit him. It was incredible. Please tell me I'm not the only one that purchased this frame and never added the photos, because oh my god, Jaden is gonna be one and there's no pictures in there yet. Also, if you're a new mom, please don't go crazy buying shoes, because I went crazy and I ended up giving them away and he never wore them. So in this corner, I added these shelves to add some books, and that's our reading corner, I guess you could call it. So here in these baskets, I keep his stuff organized. So things that we use on a daily, so I could be easy to reach. Also, his blankets and stuff like that. This one with the dots is just a throw everything there, whatever. And behind the door, I just have his bags and his towel. Guys, that was it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't.